algebra. Hello, Uriel. Oh, no sound. Oh, hello, 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 everyone. Welcome to the live. Live on YouTube? No. Why should I go live on YouTube? I haven't tried live on YouTube because I wanna. Hello, JD. Hello, Eli. You're not late. We just started. Hello to the 100 people here. Please make sure to share the live so that more people can come in. Please share the live. I will thank you for sharing the live Japanese name. Pwede mag-calcu ba? Calcu is upcut, guys. Thank you. Pinapanood ko po live replays. Aw, thank you, JD. Hindi ko pa napapost. Hello, Cinnamon Lover. Bakit ka nag-upcut your view if grade 10 ka pala? Not posted po yung nakaraan. Yeah, I haven't posted the one in the last few days. Wait lang. Mabagal kasi siya, guys, mag-download kasi 2 hours siya per day. And I keep forgetting to do it. Okay, you're gonna pass? I already passed, Lali. Yes, Lali. I am already in 4th year high school. Hi, Jem. Rihanna said hi. Is it okay to use Calcu? Walang Calcu sa kahit anong entrance exam, guys. So make sure marunong kayo magmano-mano. Which is why today we're learning algebra. Are you fine with learning algebra, everybody? Shall we learn algebra for today? Say yes if you agree. Let's learn algebra today. Hindi pala kita ito, guys. Like, hindi nyo pala kita na 100k yung nakalagay. That's crazy. Dito kasi sa format ng TikTok, kita siya. Yes or yes. Bahay na. Ingat sa bahay. Okay. Hello to the 500 people. Shall we do algebra? Today, bas-bas mo na sa second year pulsai. Good luck daw, sabi ni Ming. Kaninang brain po ipamimigay? Akin, ako magte-take ng upcut pag naabot natin ang 100k. Char. 100k followers. But we're still far away. So thank you for following to the new people here. Wala na grade 7 math sa utak ko. Oh, that's real. That's why we have to study. Pero buti nga nag-aaral ka. Even if you're not incoming grade 12, if you start studying now, that's a good thing for you. Like, you'll get ahead. In, like, you'll be better off than the other people. Oh, yeah, I didn't post it. Oh, sorry. I'll post the one after today, okay? Yes, I'm in college. I'm in 4th year college. Taas kamay sa may pasok. Hala! Bawal tayo magpuyat. May pasok daw sila bukas. 13 days na lang pala. I-edit natin to. 13 days till the upcut. There. Hello, Nico. Nico's back, guys. Say hi. Okay. Shall we answer algebra, everybody? May pasok na. Okay, hanggang 10 lang. Hanggang 10 lang, di ba? Did you go live? No, I didn't go live kanina. 13 days left. Nawala yung file. I'll post it later, okay? I'll post it after this one. Pwede ba mag-upcut kahit grade 11 pa lang? I think kailangan incoming grade 12 ka. So, grade 12 dapat bukas if you're from a public school. Okay. Hi, Kai. Okay, 11. What 11? Grade 11? Tama ba? Dapat incoming grade 12 ka, di ba? How to answer yung number 1. Okay, let's do it one by one, guys. Let's do it one by one. Are we ready? Say ready if you're ready to start answering. Let's get to 15k likes. So for it to reach 15k likes, you have to like it. Ready? Okay, let's go. Algebra tayo. Natapos ba natin yung GEOM? Mamaya na natin balikan yung GEOM. Because I saw this one's blank pa. So let's try to finish it all so that we can pass. We can pass it. May algebra pero meron ding sa na yung part na yun? Basic math. Do you want? Okay. Basic math or algebra? Because I did this basic math, pero onti lang nanood nung time na ginawa ko to. And then basic math, okay, let's do basic math next time. Let's start with algebra. Algebra muna, because I already put it there. And let's go through, shall we go through, wait, okay, I'll put up a poll. Algebra though, okay. I will put up a poll. Do you want to happy face for go through the algebra lessons or sad for straight to the questions? Happy face, we do the lessons like this, or sad face, just do the questions. Do we want lesson or the questions? Linear equation, algebra, radicals, rational expression, factoring. Asan yung start? Mahaba yung lessons. Okay, let's just go through the questions that we know. Asan na yun? Hala, ang layo na. Where's algebra start? Algebra, here. Algebra. Polynomials. Yes, the link of this is in my IG. Okay. Okay, 10 seconds. There are more people who said questions. Why na wala yung annotated? I was supposed to update it. I'll update it today, okay? I'll post it after today. Actually, I'll post it before we end the live, so remind me before we end. Thank you for sharing the live, Nico. Okay, let's game. Let's game. Let's start with the lessons, guys. We just started John Lover. Yes, today we're doing algebra. Okay, algebra. First thing you have to know about algebra, we start with polynomials. So polynomials are just some expression na may variable. And the variable we usually use is x and y and things like that. So, pag x lang yung laman niya, it's a polynomial of x. Pag x and y, pwedeng dalawa yung variables niya. That is a polynomial with x and y. So this is a polynomial with ABC. This is a polynomial with x and y, but not z. I don't know what that means. By not z, it means... Okay, we don't need that. It doesn't matter. Thank you for following, guys. If you're new here, make sure to follow. I'm lagging again. Sorry. File link. It's in my IG. The fourth story of... Thank you for following. Page 40. You're not. It does matter? I'm not sure if it matters. Okay na. Ba't ka nag-sorry? True. Okay, page 40. Let's continue. It's not a okay, let's try to understand why it's not a polynomial in Z. 8x is not a polynomial since 8x has non-integral exponents. So polynomials have to be integers. I think that's what it's saying. So yung taas dito is an integer, pero yung 1 over z is not a polynomial. So dapat may expression siya na plus or minus, pero hindi multiply? Question mark? Yes. So next is a monomial but is not a polynomial because of the negative exponents of x. What does that mean? I don't know. We don't need this, guys. There are no questions that ask you if it's a polynomial or not, I think. Unless there is, Nico, let me know. Hello to the 600 people. If you're new here, please make sure to follow. The upcut is in 13 days, and we will be doing daily lives until the upcut comes. Next, we have the degree of a polynomial. The degree of term in particular is the exponent of that variable. The degree of term in two or more variables is the sum of the exponents of the variable. And the degree of polynomial is the degree of the highest degree term or terms in a variable. For example, the degree of 2x squared y4 is 2 in x and 4 in y. Okay, so the question here is, if they ask you, what is the degree of 2x squared y4 in terms of x? Pag in terms of x, syempre yung x yung titignan mo. And x squared, 2 yung variable niya. Tapos pag y naman, y raised to 4 siya. So 4 yung variable niya. Pero if they ask in total, what is the degree of this? You have to add it up daw, which is 2 plus 4. Okay? 2 plus 4, kahit magkaiba yung variable nila. So 6 yung degree niya in total. Now we move on to this is so boring. Can we answer questions instead? Or do we continue? You're back? Oh, thank you, Jeff. Nico, can you pin Jeff's comment? See, welcome back to the people who are back. This just goes to show our 100% passing rate. Our 100% passing rate. If you stick around in our live, everybody passes. What's your question? Okay, let's answer questions. Everybody know what the best way to learn about polynomials is to answer questions, okay? Yes, polynomials just means fourth years. What's that mean? 100% passing rate. Yes, everybody who tambays here. So this just basically explains what we learned. I've been teaching these, the sum and difference. Does everybody know what sum of difference? Unstable internet. Wait, our internet's kind of down. Polynomials my weakness. Okay, let's just answer to learn. Okay, we learn by experience. So this is radicals. I taught radicals. Okay, let's do these samples. Okay, let's try the samples na lang to learn about it. So for example, this is a complex fraction. Let's simplify this complex fraction. Okay, say okay. I'm lagging. My face. It's giving. It's giving slow mo thirst trap effect. Is my voice lagging also, or just my face? Is my voice lagging? Tips to radicals. Okay, just my face. Bro, it's my learn how to improve it. Okay, just my face. It's definitely my phone. I'm gonna buy a webcam so I don't use my phone. Where do you get the practice test? It's free on my IG. Wag naman Bini ngayon si Max Verstappen. Let's go back to Bini Mika. Or, eto muna sagutan natin, guys. So, when you see a complex fraction, it's just a fraction with more fractions inside it. Okay, so I will teach you how to simplify this into smaller. Just don't mind my face if it's lagging, okay? Just tell me, sabihin niyo pag lag, if lag yung voice, okay? Don't look at me kasi dapat yung notes yung tinitignan niyo, okay? Let's continue. So the first thing I would do is you solve for the top and solve for the bottom, okay? So you solve for this top and then solve for the bottom and then deal with the rest later on. Yes, I record it and I post on YouTube. Okay, I'll post everything later on. Hello to the 700 people. If you're new here, I teach for UpCat, which is in 13 days. So this is the pressure everyone who hasn't started studying. Okay, let's continue. Let's start with the top. How would we solve for this? Okay, all we have to do is turn them into LCD. And what would be the LCD of both of x and x squared? What is the LCD of x and x squared? Can someone tell me? Thank you for following. If you're new here, make sure to follow. And your name will pop up here. Oh, it's not showing. Wait, let me pop it up. Your name will pop up here. You see your name? Okay, it will pop up there. X squared, yes. It's not x. Bakit x squared? LCD means least common denominator, okay? So, dapat, sakop niya pareho, okay? Sakop niya si x and x squared. What is something weird way to propose, but yes. Hello, Blizzy. Okay, don't mind my screen, okay? Wait, let me see lang. Why is it doing that? Why do you do that? Anyway, and now it's lagging. Okay, don't mind my face. Where's Beanie Mika? We need Mika right now. 360. Hello, is that Jacob? Or Rams? Hello, Rams. Okay, it's x squared, guys. Okay, it's x squared. Bakit? Hello, thank you for the gift, Jeff. For example, guys, when you say 1/2 and 1/4, what is the LCD? What is the LCD of 1/2 and 1/4? The LCD of 1/2 and 1/4. Yes, it's 4, diba? It's 4. Do people know what LCD is? I feel like nobody people are saying 2. It's not 2, it's 4. I'm asking about 2 and 4. Okay, 2 and 4. What's the LCM of 2 and 4? It's 4. Bakit 4? Okay. What the meaning of LCD is least common multiple or common denominator. Ang ibig sabihin nun is the number na when you multiple. For example, the first number na for both of them, a multiple is like this, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are all multiples of 2, diba? And then, for example, multiples of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12. And then when you look for a multiple, for example, multiple of 2 and 3, what is the least common multiple of 2 and 3? It would be 6. Bakit 6? As you can see, same sila na multiple ng 6. May multiple sila na 6. And 6 yung least. The smallest multiple. Kasi after ng 6, may next multiple pa yan. This will be 10 and this will be 12. So may multiple din sila na 12. Common multiple si 12. Pero yung least common multiple nila is 6. So for x squared naman, yung least common multiple nila is x squared. Bakit x squared? Because when you multiply x again to itself, ganun, it will become x squared. Okay? So, meron silang common na x squared. So, what we're gonna do is put x squared, multiply everything by x squared. Okay? Multiply everything by x squared, that will become x squared. Okay, let me just fix my camera. Okay, we're back. I don't know if... Why did zoom in? That's crazy. Not my pores. Zoom out. Okay. Show your face. Wait, it's still zoomed in. I don't like it zoomed in. There. I should buy a webcam. Paano 29 to minus 19? You mean 10? Okay, let's continue, guys. So we multiply both by x squared. What's x squared times x? What is x squared? You multiply it to x down here. That will give you x, right? With the live just started. We just started with number 1. I multiply. Divide pala. Divide. Sorry, divide, divide. You divide it, so it will leave you with x, okay? That will leave you with x. And then for this one, for this one, for the second one, x squared, multiply it naman to this one. I divide. My brain. Divide it to this one, it will give you minus 1. Correct. Good job, everybody. Minus 1. Okay? And then now, for the under, all we have to do, we let it be. Okay, let's let that be first. Over x minus 1 over x. Okay. The thing about an under, when you see a fraction, pretend 1/2 over 1/3. Okay? When there's a fraction under here, for it, when you multiply something by a fraction, when you divide a fraction, this, kasi diba, over means divide. Okay? This means divide. This means divide. And if you divide something by a fraction, you just multiply it by the reciprocal. Okay? Reciprocal. So, 1/2 over 1/3 is just 1/2 times, what's this? 1/2 times 3 over 1. Okay? Does that make sense? Say yes, if that makes sense. So, this is just multiplied to 3 times 1. Okay, that makes sense. Good job, Jadrin. Thank you, Shayan. Okay. So, since this is the under, right? This is the under. If this is divide, we divide it by a fraction. All we have to do is x minus 1 times, let's just make that a dot. This is times the reciprocal x over x minus 1. Does this make sense? So, binaligtad lang natin siya, and then we multiplied it because it's the reciprocal. What's your question? Just ask your question. Okay. So now, as you can see, we can cancel out. But mali. Oh, we can just multiply pala. We can just multiply x squared here. I'm sorry. This won't be x squared. This will be x over x squared minus 1 over x squared, right? So it's x minus 1 over x squared. You don't multiply it lang pala. You just make it similar fractions, okay? So they're similar fractions, x squared. It's the same thing we did kanina. We just turned it into similar fractions. And then this will be x minus 1 over x squared times x minus 1. And as you notice here, pwede mo i-cancel si x minus 1 and si x minus 1. And then that will leave you with x over x squared, which is equal to 1 over x. Gets? This is not for college. This is for incoming college students. So the answer is 1 over x. What? Okay. Do we get it or do we go again? Again? Say again. Paano naging x squared? Okay, I'll do it again. I'm so sorry. So remember the top. Remember the top. Okay, let's answer it again. The top. Paulit. Okay. But naging minus 1. Okay, I'll do this one again. Okay. So, when you're answering this, you need to know the LCD. And we found out that the LCD is equal to x squared. Ang ibig sabihin yan, kailangan natin mahanap yung LCD para ma-minus natin sila pareho, di ba? So, we can minus it both. So, how do we minus this both? This will be x divided by x squared divided by x will give you x. And then copy the x squared under. And then x squared divided by x squared will be equal to 1 minus x squared. So as you can see, itong x over x squared, this x over x squared, same lang siya dito, right? Same lang siya dito. When you take off the x, when you divide both of this by x, divide the top by x and divide the under by x, it will become 1 over x. Gets or not gets? Parang lowest term lang siya. Pag ni-lowest term mo itong nasa ilalim, it'll become 1 over x. Okay, gets. Marked absent ka na. Sino yung absent? Nagtitake ng attendance, guys, si Nico. Sabihin nyo sa kanya if present kayo. Siya. Not gets. So, what we did lang is we multiplied it. Multiplied both of this. Multiplied the top times x para maging x squared yung ilalim pareho. Kasi, tsaka mo lang sila pwede ma-minus. Mahina daw yung mic. Hello, hello. Audio mix. Ah, ah, is the mic. Okay. I think my voice is just mahina today. We have ADHD, that's why. The sound is mahina. Ah, hello, hello, hello. Let me up it. Okay na? It's at 200%. Muffled. The mic is not miking. Ah, okay. Okay. Okay lang daw. Okay lang daw sa kanila. Thank you. Okay, gets na ba natin? So, we made it similar denominator. Kasi pag similar na yung... Thank you, G. Thanks for the Mishka Bear. Pag similar na yung denominator, tsaka lang siya pwede ma-minus. Okay? So, when in fractions, you can only minus things when they're the same. Yes, we just started. This is the first question we're doing. Okay. So, now that same na sila ng denominator, we can minus this, turn it into 1. It will become x minus 1 over x squared. Okay, nakalimutan ko lang siya kanina. Gets or no? Gets or no? Do we get this stop or no? Yes, you're not late, G. Thanks. This is the first question we're doing. Lunes na bukas. True, guys. Any times x lang, not times x squared. I-multiply siya sa x squared para makuha mo yung top. Okay. May pasok na bukas. Hello, Potato Man. Okay. Okay, gets na natin yan. Let's move on to another question. Rational expression. Do you want to do any of these? Nah, that's easy. Let's go to radicals. Radicals are negative exponents. Simplify the following without negative exponents. What does that mean? Oh, simplify to remove negative exponents. So let's do this one by one. What is this the answer? They didn't put any equal signs. Is that the answer? So first thing you can do here is 2 raised to 0. What is 2 raised to 0? Anything raised to 0 will give you 1. So this becomes negative 1, which is why that's here. This is also negative 2. Negative plus 2 raised to negative 1. is, what's 2 raised to negative 1? It's 1 half. Does everybody get why that's 1 half or no? Do we get why it's 1 half? Or do we know what negative exponents are? Okay, plus siya, plus. Okay, reciprocal, yes. So, anytime may negative exponent, guys, yung nangyayari, di ba, 2 raised to negative 2. Pag may negative siya, mapupunta siya agad sa ilalim. Laging 1 yung top. And then, you have to copy the number. So, if 2 yan, magiging 2 sa ilalim. Okay? So, if 3 to, magiging 3 sa ilalim. So, pag negative, lagi siyang nasa ilalim. Next. So, this equal to minus 1 over 2 raised to 2 and plus 1 over 2 raised to 3. Okay? Gets down. Thank you for following. If you're new here, please make sure to follow. Bukas na pala klase nyo, mag-aral ng mabuti. Wow. Thank you for following. Okay. Let's continue. So, what's 2 raised to 4? That's equal to 1 half. This is this, okay? And then 1/8 is 1 half raised to 3. And then you just simplify everything. Do we need to explain how to simplify from here to here? Say yes or no. Okay, we can explain it if you want. Say yes or no. Okay, yes. Okay, remember guys, here again, we're gonna use what we call LCD. So, for you to add whole numbers and fractions, lagyan nyo muna ng 1 yung ilalim, okay? Let's put 1 on the under para maging fraction din siya. The next step you have to do is know what the LCD is. What is the LCD of these numbers, guys? What is the LCD of these numbers? Yes, it's 8, Merlion. Good job. It is 8. Bakit 8? If you, yes. Bakit 8? Dahil 8 yung least common multiple ng 1, 2, 4, and 8. Yung 2, pag 2, 4, 6, 8 yan, magiging 8 din yan. And 4, next to 4 is 8, it becomes 8 as well. What time nag-start? 20 minutes ago, but this is like the second question we're doing. Now, how do we solve this? We're gonna multiply everything by 8, okay? Paulit, we're doing it slowly, okay? Hello, Komi. Let's multiply everything by 8. The first thing you have to multiply by 8 is negative 1. Is 1. You multiply the denominator. Pag nakuha mo ng LCD, you multiply it to the denominator here. Okay? Yung denominator. Tapos, divide. Sorry. We divide it sa denominator and then multiply it sa taas. So, 8 divided by 1 is 8, and then multiply to the top will give you negative 8. So, that's negative 8 over 8. Okay? Yes, divide, then multiply. I keep thinking divide in my head, but I keep saying multiply. Ito na dinner mo. Thank you, Phoenix. Next, 8 divided by 1. 8 divided by 1 is 8 times negative 2 will give you negative 16. Negative 16 over 8. So, yung point ng LCD is pag nakuha mo na yung LCD, yun na yung denominator ng lahat. Okay? So, over 8 na yung lahat ng ano. And the point of making it all the same is so you can make it into one fraction. Girl dinner. Girl dinner ay mag-cram ng upcut. Tama ba yun? Okay, let's continue. Next, 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 1 will give you 4, right? Plus 4. Next, 8 divided by 4 will give you 2 times 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 kasi minus siya dito. Okay? Minus yung ginamit dito. Just use an app and you can answer in seconds. We are here to study for the UPCAT. So if you want to get into UP, you cannot use an AI app. Ano ba talaga? So if tapos ka na mag-grade 11, you take the UPCAT. Di ba grade 12 na kayo? Incoming. So, yes, you take it when you're grade 12. Are you? Why do you keep saying passionately curious? Okay, you're haunting me. And lastly, 8 times 8 is 8 divided by 8 is 1. So, 1/8 pa rin siya. Okay? Now, we made it all similar fractions, as you can see. Since 8 sila lahat, pwede mo na siya ipagsama-sama like this. Turn it into one line and divide it by 8. Okay? 8 pa rin yung denominator niya. So, same na siya dito. Okay? Say gets if gets. Grade 12 na ako bukas. Good luck, guys. Do you feel like you're so old? Because when I was grade 12, I was like, wow, I never thought I'd make it to grade 12. And right now I'm fourth year, and I never thought I'd make it to fourth year. And then what's next? I like be in a job, and then I thought, you know, when will this end? Char. Bigay nga kayo ng motto. Paano po naging 8 lahat? We just went through the entire thing. Okay, so you multiply everything by its LCD. Okay? That's what we did. Do we have to go through that again? Yes, I'm fourth year. Ah, true, very well. Grade 12 hits. Di ako excited, same. My course is management engineering. Hello everybody, if you're new here, please make sure to follow. Gets na ba natin? Okay, so you just add all of this now. Negative 8 minus 16 plus 4 minus 2 plus 1. And that will equal negative 21 over 8. Okay, so that's all. Shall we do number 2? Yes, we shall do number 2. Decision ako. My course is management engineering. Introduce yourself daw kay bukas. Okay. SS. I didn't do much. No need to SS. You look young. Nico is in... Is there ME na not honors? No. Management engineering is always honors. Saan makikita yung sinasagutan? In my IG, it's for free, Glav. If you're new here, please make sure to follow. You are welcome in our live. Hello, Ethanol. You're not super late. It's okay. Thank you for the gift. Radiant Couture and Mr. Cupido. Hello, calculator. You're back. Bawal calculator sa UpCat, guys. Is it harder to get a scholarship in UST? I think onti lang yung ino-offer nila sa UST. Madaming scholarships sa Ateneo, guys. So, for everyone out here, alam kong grade 11 or grade 12 kayo. So, apply to Ateneo. Yes, I recommend my course. It's a good course and mataas agad yung sahod niya. Okay, first, what's 2 raised to negative 1? Everybody, 2 raised to negative 1. Happy 80k. Thank you so much. Our next goal is 85k. 100k, I will take the UpCat for you. 100k, I will sneak into the UpCat center and take the UpCat and then see if I can pass. No, just kidding. 1/2, good job. And what's 3? What's 3 raised to negative 1? That's 1/3, okay? 1/3. Now, how do we minus 1/2 and 1/3? I will teach you the quick method right now. Instead of looking for its LCD, okay, let's do method 1. The LCD method 1 is multiply it by 6, right? 6 yung LCD niya. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So that's 3 over 6. 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So minus 2 over 6, which is equal to 1/6. Okay, this is the LCD method. The other method is called the DDX method. I don't know why it's called that, but 1/2 minus 1/3. Multiply 1/2 and 1/3 will give you 3. Multiply 2 and 1, it will give you minus 2. And then 2 times 3 is equal to 6, which is equal to 1/6. Gets or not gets? Do you repeat? Yes. Butterfly method? If that's, yeah, okay, yeah. DDX daw yung tawag niya dati. You're late? It's okay, Kat. People aren't getting notified, so guys, make sure to share the live. Let's not be madamot. Char. Everybody deserves to get to pass. Also, my phone is like... I don't know why my phone does that. Why is it DDX? Denominator, X cross multiply. That's what it's called. Aw, thank you, Dana our cheeks. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the live if you're new here. When po may release test permit? Sa 31 pa. Does DDX apply to every operation? Yes, it applies to any fraction. So let's try 2 over 7 minus 1 over 8. What's the answer, guys? What's 2 times 8? That'll give you 16. What's 1 times 7? You minus 7. What's 7 times 8? That'll be 56. So that'll be 9 over 56. Yes, that's it. LCD and GCF, those are very different things, Luan. GCF is the greatest common factor and LCD is the least common denominator or least common multiple. Thank you for sharing the live, guys. Okay, next question. I mean, not next question. Let's continue. So the top of this, 169 taas. Now let's do the bottom. The bottom is 2 1/2 plus 1/3. So gawin ulit natin siya. What's one that will be, okay, let's do it here. Let's remove this. Let's do it here. It'll give you 1/2 plus 1/3. This is just 1/3. And then this is 2 times 1 is 2 over 2 times 3 is 6, which is equal to 5 over 6. So that's equal to 1 over 6 over 5 over 6. And when you can see na same yung denominator nila, you can cancel 6. And then that will give you 1/5. Paano siya naging 1/2? 2 raised to negative 1 siya. 2 raised to negative 1 is 1/2. Gets? Where's Beanie Mika? She's under here. Do we want Beanie Mika back? Because my phone is like so hot. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, gets though. Thank you. Saan nakagets siya? Oh, you don't want her back. That's so mean, Komi. Okay, let's continue to the number 3. Number 3, oh my god, it's not real numbers. Okay, let's solve for number 3. For this first one, guys, when it's grouped, di ba, B minus A, tas naka-group yung 9, ibig sabihin, madidistribute yung raised to negative 9 on both of them. Okay? Madidistribute siya to both of them. Or, another way to look at it is, pag may negative, reciprocal siya. So, it will become A over B. A yan ah. Ang pangit ng sulat ko. A over B times 9. Okay? A over B times 9. Gets or not? We get that it is the reciprocal dahil negative yung, yes, review center attitude. Ano reciprocal? Di yan totoo? What? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I trust in me. Source, Julia. Thank you for posting. You're welcome, Purple Hearts. Yung 9? Anong 9? Pasokan na namin bukas. Okay, ayaw nyo ba magpuyat? Up to what time do you want lang today? For negative exponent, kailangan kuning reciprocal. No, when something is raised to negative, kunyari, 3 raised to negative 1, diba? Yung 3, so this is, what is the reciprocal ng 3? Reciprocal niya is 1 over 3. Okay? 10. Okay, let's see at 10 if need na natin mag-end. Suspended? Umuulan ba? Okay. So basically, A over B raised to 9 siya. And then you distribute 9, okay? Distribute 9, that will become A raised to 9 over B raised to 9. Okay? A raised to 9 over B raised to 9. And then we do the same thing for this. Since raised to negative 3 siya, raised to negative 3, baligtarin natin siya. Magiging A raised to 1 B4 over A 2 B negative 2 raised to 3. Okay? You see what we did here? Binaligtad natin yung taas and baba. Okay? Pero same signs lang for everything. Copy the same signs. Nawala lang, naging positive 3 siya. Na-move sa amin August 5. Diba dapat lang ma-move? Like, people's houses were flooded. Slow down. All I did was copy it. Okay? As you can see here, this went up here. And then this went down here. Okay? Do we see? Say fashion. Paulit. We just baligtad it. Okay? Do you see what I did? Binaligtad ko lang siya. Say gets, yes, reciprocal. Okay, yes. Binaligtad lang natin. Parang yung division. Yes, you flip it. It's called reciprocal. Okay? Kasi negative, binaligtad natin siya kasi negative raised to negative 3 siya. Okay? Now we go back. So, let's continue. Ito kasi, okay, I'll highlight it. This, hala, lumiit. Ba't siya lumiit? What? Wait. say 50. Okay, we're back. Naglag. Oh no! Do you hear my voice? It's my phone. I hate this phone. See? You see yourself? You see yourself here. Mannequin challenge. They can hear me. I hate. Why is it doing this? Okay. I don't like this angle though. Do we need to see me? Hello, Jaser. Happy birthday. I mean, if we don't need to see me, I can just keep going. Huwag niyo kasi pansinin yung mukha ko. Hala na paghalatan. Let the phone rest. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Watch me buy a webcam. But I want a good webcam, so I haven't bought one. I'm trying to find pa. We want to see you. Okay, let's continue. Pag nag-lag ba yan, papatayin ko. Lalagay ko si Mikalim. Webcam na this. Yes, I record my live. Huwag niyo kasi pansinin yung Okay, gift goal webcam. True. Send gifts for webcam. What if I feel the pressure? Okay, let's continue, guys. Where are we? Okay, next thing you have to do is hala, ba't nawala? Is equal to A. This is equal to A raised to 9 over B raised to 9. Ito naman, i-distribute natin. Okay, let's distribute 3 to all of them. How do we distribute 3 to all of them? Multiply here, multiply here, multiply to this, and this. Okay, we multiply to everything. So that will become A raised to negative 3, B raised to 12, over A raised to 6, B raised to negative 6. Do we get that? Yes or no? Do we get what we did so far? Yes or no? Naka 2 teddy bear. Who gave the other one? Thank you, G. Thanks for the teddy bear. Yes, we just started. Okay, we get. Next thing we do, we multiply. Let's simplify. Ay, sige. I-multiply na natin siya dito sa taas, okay? So, need natin i-multiply ito and ito. Okay, let's multiply that. That will become A9, A negative 3. A9 times A negative 3. No, you just have to multiply it. It's all letters naman. Let's just put it together first. Mamaya na natin siya i-simplify. B9, A6, B negative 6. Okay, the first thing we do, this is A9, and A negative 3. You have, if you multiply two of the A's, you have to add the exponents, okay? We add the exponents, so that will be equal to A6, right? A raised to 6. Okay, we'll sleep early though. Hello, Engineer Chinoy. Are you new here? Yes, we added A raised to 6, B raised to 12. For the B naman, yung B sa baba, B raised to 9 and B raised to negative 6, that will be equal to B3. A6, B3. Tama ba? A6 and B3. Now, as you can see, pwede na ma-cancel si A6 and A6. Kasi, pareho silang A raised to 6. Okay, I mean raised to 6 when I say it. We're just trying to say it quicker. And then, last thing you have to do is when you're dividing two of the same, you just minus their exponents. Blurry daw? Is the writing blurry? Oh, thank you, G. Thanks. Saan nakuha yung A9 and B9? Dito sa taas. Ito siya, yung isang kinalimutan natin. A9 and B9. You want to pass the upcut so bad? It's okay. If you're here and you follow me, we have a 100% win rate. Everybody who watches here, it's lagging again. Don't mind my face. Don't mind my face. Reconnect daw. Let's continue. Since pareho silang B, and then may raise to something sila, and then i-divide siya, all you have to do is B 12 minus 3. Okay, i-minus mo lang exponents niya. So the answer is B9. Okay, B raised to 9. The page is page 45. Page 45. Why does it do that? I wonder. The answer is B raised to 9, which is correct. See, we got B raised to 9 down here. Kanina pa po ba live? 45 minutes ago. Why not B raised to 3? What do you mean why not B raised to 3? It's B over B12, B12 over B3. So you have to minus 12 minus 3, which is why B9 is the answer. Yes, I do replays and it's on my YouTube. So if you're running late and you're trying to cram, I post it on my YouTube channel. Where is my YouTube channel? Show yourself. Here. Here's my YouTube channel. Yes, up here. You see? Thank you for following. If you follow, your name will pop up and it will say that rules of exponent. Yes, that's what we did. Thank you, Renier. Post post your other. Okay, I'll post it. Somebody remind me. I keep forgetting. Yes, math lang din inaaral ko. It's okay. Ano po yung name ng what? YouTube? Julia Manjola. Okay, next question. May magsisend na naman yung sa IG. Yung nagsabi ng i-ano ko na daw. Yes, subscribe. Thank you, QuizZB. Make sure to subscribe, guys. Kaya hindi ko ina-upload kasi hindi kayo nagsa-subscribe. Charot. Ilan na ba? 2.6 na. Yung video yung nag-teach ng Trigo, hindi ko pa siya na-upload, I think. Pa-SS. Oh, Zoom. Here. This is all we did. Kita na ba? Okay, I'll upload soon. Just make sure to subscribe. Trigo ulit. Mamaya na. Tapusin natin. Ano pa tayo sa algebra, guys? Medyo blurry. Wait. Let me zoom in. Ito lang naman need nyo dyan. Pa-landscape kasi yung ginawa natin. Stats. Yes, I teach just math. Usually just math. I haven't tried others. But recently, do you want to try? I wanted to try logical reasoning. I love math too. Good night, Skrunkle Uncle. Thank you for saying good night. If you're gonna leave, make sure to say bye, because I have trust issues. Wait, what did I say? Why are you saying yes? Logical reasoning? Problem solving? What do you mean? Saan ba? Maghanap muna ako ng logical reasoning na ano. Hanap tayo sa mga sinend ko. Let's look at the files I sent. Right now or later? Right now? But your thoughts on what, Mer? I didn't see what you're saying. Oh, logical reasoning. Okay. Wait, I want to do that now. Let's do that now. Later? Bye, Jella. See you tomorrow. Guys, if may pasok na kayo, what time do you want to go live? Should we go live earlier? Because I don't want you sleeping late. Do you want to start earlier? Or like 2 p.m.? 2 a.m. though. 30 minutes left. We don't have to end exactly at 6 if you don't want. 7? Mga 6. I'll see. Try ko 7. 6 or 7. Okay, we'll see if 6 or 7. What if yung similar questions are viewers upcut? Okay. I don't know how to find similar questions though, right now. 6 daw uwian nila. Late naman nun. Okay, maybe 7. Para mean. My YouTube channel is over here. It's Julia Manjola. Please follow. 7:30. Why 7:30? It's better to guess the answers during the upcut, guys. Because during the upcut, you still have the chance to get correct answers. 8 na lang daw. Okay, we'll see. Baka 8 ulit. Pero, lagi tayo 10 mag-end. Kasi kanina na-late din ako. Okay, let's move on. Fractional exponents. Okay. Fractional exponents. So, we're going to the exponents. Remember, pag negative yung exponent, like we learned here, negative exponent is equal to x raised to negative 1 is equal to 1 over x. Okay, remember that. Pero pag exponent niya is, for example, 2/3, 2/3 exponent to it disconnected. What's back? Yes, this is the same reviewer that we've been using for like the last week. ASET review, same lang naman yung upcut sa ASET. I think. Same. Good night, Stone. I'll see you tomorrow. People are all leaving. Do you guys want to end? Grade, I'm in 4th year. But this is for the upcut. Grade, this is for the upcut. Balo na daw. Gusto niyo magbalo. No, it's okay. Hanggang 10 p.m. I'll see. Oh, 10. Okay, 10. Let's do... We don't need this. Let's go straight to answering. Okay, how do we answer negative 64 raised to 2/3? Okay, ang meaning lang ng raised to a fraction is yung nasa taas is always just raised to this number, exponent, and then yung nasa baba is a root. Okay, root. So, for example, that will just equal to cube root of negative 64 squared. Okay? That's what that means. Or dito pala yung square sa labas daw. Same lang naman. Yes. So all you have to do is cube root that, and the cube root of this is equal to 4. So 4 squared is equal to 16. Okay? Let's try number 2. Negative 32 times raised to negative 2 over 5. So this is fifth root. Okay? Since 5 yung nasa baba, that's the root. So you put it in the radical. That will give you fifth root of negative 32. And the fifth root of that is equal to negative 2 raised to negative 2. Nangyari sa 3. Kinuha natin yung cube root. Kinuha natin yung cube root here. It's a cube root. Okay? Yung negative 4, paano nakuha? Cube root siya ng negative 64. Cube root, okay? Yung meaning ng cube root is, that's negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4 is 16 times negative 4 is equal to negative 64. Yes, 4 times 4 times 4, pero negative, okay? 4 times 4 times 4, it's the cube root. Like, for example, the cube root of 8 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. Okay? Pa-explain ng negative 2, ito naman fifth root siya. Okay? Fifth root. Ang ibig sabihin ng root is how many times you have to multiply something to itself. So, fifth root, this is just 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 5 times siyang minultiply sa sarili niya is equal to 32. So, 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32. Kaya ang fifth root niya ay 2. Bye-bye, calculator. That's not the, that's not the answer. Yes, ganun yun, guys. Bye, calculator. Bye, Aya. Bye, Aya. Okay. Paano po siya usually solve mentally? For me, memorize ko lang siya. Okay? Like, for example, kailangan mo lang isipin, anong number ang pwede maging fifth root? Ang possible lang dyan is 2 or 3, right? Because yun lang yung smaller numbers na pwedeng magamit. You just have to think of a whole number. Kasi laging usually whole number yung sagot. Okay? Lalo na sa upcut. So, that's just negative 2 raised to negative 2, which will be 1 over negative 2 raised to 2 is equal to negative 1/4. Negative 1/4. FB10, is it still lag? It's okay, we're gonna leave soon. Is it better not to answer? It's better to always answer for the upcut, guys. Don't leave anything blank. Just shotgun, okay? Yes, the answer is 1/4. Why is it not negative 1/4? Wait. Oh, it's negative 2 raised to 2. Sorry. Negative 2 raised to 2 pala siya. So that's equal to 1/4. Paano mag-solve ng exponent outside parenthesis? Huh? What you mean? What you mean? Is it back? Yes, it's back. I think if I take off my cam, it'll work better. Do you want to try? Wait, let me try. I show you, everybody. Portrait. If we do portrait, and then we do it like really big, if that's what you want. And then we take off my face, right? We take off my face and this. And then we put it like this. Is that what you want? Is that better? But then my face is not there. Medyo blurry. Avoid this picture. Asan may picture ko dun? Okay na daw yan. Carry na yan. Oh, okay, Luna. I will explain. Okay, I will explain the difference of parentheses. The difference lang of pretend 6 daw, 6 squared and 6 squared. Ay, sorry. 6 squared, same lang ito pag positive, okay? Pero pag negative, negative 6 squared and negative 6 squared, yung difference lang niyan is pag negative 6 squared, isa-square mo yung negative. So, that's negative 6 times negative 6. So, magiging positive siya, which will equal positive 6. Pero, pag negative 6 squared, that's negative 6 times 6, which is equal to negative 36. Okay? Do you get it now, Luna? Gets. Okay, I shall take off my cam. Wait lang. Let's stick to the no cam. You're welcome, Luna. Okay, simplify radicals. Way to simplify radicals. We explained all of this. I explained radicals in one of the videos or in one of the lives I did. Shall we do it again or no? We can skip the questions. Yung third question, okay, third question daw. Third question daw. Let's do the third question first. Third question says 6. Oh, for this one, all they did was 6 yung root niya and then raised to 18 siya. So, pag binaligtad mo yan, magiging 8 yung numerator and 6 yung denominator kasi 6 yung root. So, we know that 18 over 6 is equal to 3, kaya x cubed yung sagot. Okay? Mali yung, saan yung x minus 6? Where are you looking, sir? Sa 4. Okay, let's answer the fourth one. Third root of 8x 6 cube. Cube is over here. So we know that the third root of 8 is equal to 2. And then x raised to 6. To bring out x raised to 6, para malabas si x raised to 6, you have to divide 6 by 3. Okay? Divide 6 by 3. That will give you 6 divided by 3 is x raised to 2. Okay? So 6, if you can make this kasi x raised to 3 times x raised to 3. So x raised to 2 times x raised to 2 times x raised to 2. So pwede natin sila ilabas, magiging x raised to 2 na lang siya. So, multiply everything by 3. That's equal to 8x. Feel ko squared dapat yung 2. What happened? I don't know where this came from. I think 2 dapat to. 2. Cube root ng pangalawa. Ba't dalawa ba sila? Dalawa pala sila. Okay, I didn't see the other one. Sorry. Dalawa pala sila. Same lang sila. Yung pwede gawin sa pangalawa dito. Bakit may 3? Cube root to. Okay, cube root ito. Ganun siya. Ganito siya. Ang bangit kasi ng format eh. Okay. Sorry. Hindi siya cube dito. This is 2x, right? 2x yan. Tapos yung isa, cube root ng 2x2 cube. Dahil may cube dito, and may cube dito, pwede mo na sila i-cancel. Mawawala yung cube root. So, magiging 2x squared na lang din siya. Okay? Diba nakakalito ang pangit ng writing? Pangit yung writing. Hello to the 400 people. If you're new here, please make sure to follow. Let's put my face. I want to put my face somewhere. Again, what part? No, okay, we'll learn it on the next one, okay? It's better to learn in the radical way, okay? Let's learn it on this part, the radical part. I will teach you how to do it. Let's answer first this one, okay? Actually, let's start with something simple. I will teach everybody about radicals from the basics, okay? Let's learn radicals. Yes, Kuya Nico doing God's work. Nico, like, ganyan din sa UpCat, my typos. That's so real. Did you have to ask the teachers for like... Okay, let's learn about radicals. Radicals, okay. So let's start with what the parts of a radical are. Okay, this is the A, and this is the B, and this is a C. So A here, guys, A here is called the index, okay? Index. B is the radicand, and C is the constant na pwede i-multiply. Okay. Ang meaning ng index, guys, is siya yung root. I-root natin, okay? For example, when you say 2, this is a square root, okay? Square root. This is a 3, that's equal to cube root, okay? Cube root. Yes, yung d exponent, yes. Okay, d's exponent. Pwede ba maging fraction yung index? Oh, that's a very interesting question. I think pwede, pero never magkakaroon ng example na ganun. Okay? Hindi ka nila papahirapan in that way. Pag hindi visible yung radicand sa index, copy lang. Pag hindi visible yung radicand sa index, what do you mean? Copy lang, like sa 3x squared. Visible naman siya. Radicand is yung nasa loob. Good night, Nin. See you tomorrow if you're gonna come back. Hello to the 500 people. Kaka-join nyo lang. I feel like hindi talaga galit si TikTok sa atin. Like, hindi nyo nina-notify yung mga taong dapat nandito. Yes, same tapos labas. Okay, so I will teach you how to bring something out of a square root. Okay? Let's start with square root. Yung square root, guys, hindi siya usually nilalagyan ng 2. So, pag wala siyang number, ibig sabihin, square root lang siya. So let's do something like 128. Okay, 128. What you have to do here is make a factor tree. Good night, Luigi. Late mag-notif. Okay. So what are the factors of 128? Pwede siya maging 2 and 64, right? And then from 2 and 64, pwede maging 2 and 32. And then pwede maging 2 and 16. And this is 4 and 4. Okay? Or pwede din 2. Yes. Keep going. Wala daw lagi notif. Let's blame TikTok. Pero lagi naman ako nandito, guys. Muscle memory daw mag-stop. Okay, so basically, if we put this all together, you circle the parts or the branches that are at the dulo, and that will give you 2 times 2 times 2 times 4 times 4. Okay? And then when 2 yung index, always look at the index, okay? Look at the index. This radical sign is a gate. Okay, it's a gate. Gate. And then, for it to pass outside the gate, yung guard, ito yung guard, okay? Yung guard is this 2. The index is the guard. Index is guard. And then, sabi ng guard, dapat by 2, by pair daw lalabas yung mga numbers. So, itong dalawa, pwede sila lumabas kasi magkasama sila. So, let's bring out 2. Okay? We bring out 2, we X this. Itong dalawang 4, pwede sila lumabas kasi magkasama sila. So, we bring out 4, it becomes 4 out here. Okay? And then, yung 2 na to, matitira siya mag-isa kasi wala siyang kasama. Okay? So, that will become 2 times 4 is 8, square root of 2. So, the answer is 8 square root of 2. Did you get that, everybody? You should post the RG story if you're going live. That's a good idea. Amazing, yes. Okay, I'll do another one, guys. I'll do another one. Let's delete that. Okay, let's delete it later. I'll do another one. Give me a number. Give me a number. A big number. Bawal pala ako lumabas. Bakit wala ka bang ka-pair? Bakit walang face? Somebody sponsor me with a camera. Char. Okay, what? The first one given was 1,048. Madali lang yan. It's a, okay. 1,048. Do we want 1,048? That's so big. Okay. Let's do 256. 256. Square root of 256. What are the roots of this? That's 1 and 1. Ay, hindi. 128 lang din to eh. 2 and 128. Is that correct? 2 and 128. 2 and 128. Tapos, what if 3 yung guard? Okay, let's try cube root. Try natin cube root, guys. Cube root tayo for this one. Cube root of 54. Okay? What are the numbers na pwede for 54, guys? This is 6 and 9. 6 and 9. 6 and 9. Lag ako or lag ba ako? Where'd my camera go? Oh. I shall turn off this camera. Okay, let's continue. What are the 6 and 9? Pwede siyang 3 and 2. And then ito, pwedeng 3 and 3. Okay? So, you circle everything at the end of the factor 3, and then you rewrite the number. Rewrite it as cube root of 3 times 3 times 3 times 2. Sabi nung index na guard, pwede daw lumabas by 3s. Okay? Pwede lumabas by 3s. So, ano yung may trio dito? Ano yung may trio dito? Yung 3 lang yung pwede lumabas. So, that will be 3 cube root of 2. Okay? 3 cube root of 2. Gets or not gets? Gets or not gets? Gets. TikTok na naman yung mayaman. Pa-SS, okay, gets. Gets, okay. Paano naman, guys, pag may given na, paano pag, kunyari, x raised to 4? 4 naman. Pero ang given ay x12, y 5. Okay? Paano naman pag ganito? The thing about variables, how square root affects numbers with exponents like 6 raised to 4. Okay, here, I'm gonna do an example, okay? Ang easy daw niyan, sabi ni Andrew. Shoutout kay Andrew na madali lang daw to. Tsa, nag-scroll lang ako, may natutunan pa. So how do we do this? Pag variable siya, guys, tapos may exponent siya, you have to divide the exponent by the guard or the number 4. Okay? So, this is just equal kasi to x times x times x times x. Like, that's just 12 x's. Okay? 12 x's. Ang dami niyang x. Okay? So, you just divide 12 by 4. What will that give? That will give 3. So, pag lumabas siya, magiging x cubed na lang siya. Okay? X cubed na lang siya. Tapos, etong y, you divide 5 divided by 4. What's 5 divided by 4? That's equal to 1. Remainder 1. Okay? Remainder 1 siya. Here, you use remainders. There's no easy way to remember prime numbers. For me, it's just like mastering, like to know what prime numbers are. May pasok na bukas. Paano pag prime number yung radicand? I don't think they would do that to you. Hello, Dikendo. Na all madaming x. Hindi yun maganda if madami kang x. What did Kuya Nico say? I didn't see. Okay. So, gets nyo ba? Itong 5 naman, dinivide natin siya by 1. When you divide 5 by 1, it will give you 1. So, isang y yung pwedeng lumabas. Tapos, may remainder 1 siya. So, yung remainder 1, matitira siya sa loob. Okay? So, that's equal to x cubed y, and then may y na matitira sa loob. Gets or not gets? Hello to the 500 people here. If you're new here, please make sure to follow. We're here to teach for the upcut. Gets daw. Okay. SS daw. SS. And then we can answer the questions, okay? We'll answer the questions here now. Thank you for chatting, everybody. Let's get to 70k to start the questions. Please like the live. Taas daw pa SS. Okay, SS this radicand part. Here. How is it possible if you divide 5 by 1 equal to 1? What dividing means, right? The thing about dividing is 5 divided by 4 siya, hindi siya 5 divided by 1. Yes, I post the lives on YouTube. I'll post it today, guys. Also the annotated file. Somebody please remind me. Okay, let's put this away. What time will I end? I can end at 10. We can put up a poll, okay? I'll put up a poll. So let's answer this one. Answer letter A. Let's answer letter A. Let's put it up here. A. Cube root of 32 x4 y 32. Okay, how do we answer this? Let's factor first 32. Ano yung mga factor ng 32? That will give you 2 raised to 5 siya. Okay? 2 raised to 5. Or you could do it like, again, like this. This is 4 and 4. And 4 and 4 can be written as 2 and 2. Okay? So that will give you, this will equal cube root of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 x raised to 4 y raised to 32. Okay? And then, since 3 yung guard niya, ilang 2 yung pwede lumabas? Etong tatlong 2, pwede sila lumabas. So, magiging 2 sa labas. Okay? 2, lalabas si 2. What else yung pwedeng lumabas, guys? Yung x, pwede ba lumabas si x? And ano yung magiging exponent niya if lalabas si x? If lalabas si x, anong exponent niya? Yes, it's 1. Thank you, Danny. It's 1 kasi 4 divided by 3 will only give you 1, 3, right? Palabasin daw si x, tama. Ba't nyo kasi siya pinapapasok sa buhay nyo? Tsa. Okay, 1 siya. X lang siya, hindi siya x squared, guys. Kasi cube root siya, okay? Hindi siya square root. Yes, raised to 1 siya. Huy. Huy daw. Mga x talaga. True. Sino ba yan, Nico? Sino ba x mo, Nico? Tsa. Okay. And then, yung y32, y raised to 32, ilan yung pwedeng lumabas? What is the exponent of y? What is the exponent of y? Good job, Mary Grace. Thank you for the halo. And thank you, Doc K. Bim, for the Mishka Bear. That was so nice of you. And thank you, okay. Then, 10. Yes, 10. Gets kung bakit 10? 32 divided by 3 is 10. You get 10. And then, what's the remainder? Anong matitira sa loob? Since natanggal na natin tong tatlong 2, may matitira na tatlong 2. So, that will become 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Ito yung matitira. And then, sa x, ilan yung matitira? Isa din, which is 1. And then, sa y, ilan yung matitira? Yes, 4x raised to 2. So, the answer is 2xy10. 2xy10, 4x2. Let's see if we got it correct. Huh? Okay. 2xy10, 4x20. 4xy. Okay. Shall we do this one? Letter number 5. Ba't nawala 3 na 2? Lumabas siya. Okay? Lumabas siya dito. Lumabas siya, naging mag-isang 2 na lang siya. Okay? Paglabas niya ng gate, naging isa na lang siya. You constantly upload. I will try to upload all of them today. Okay? I was just tamad yesterday. Bakit hindi po ba cube root? Yes, cube root siya. Yung tatlong 2 na to, linabas natin, guys. Kaya naging 2 siya. Can you do square root of 24? Okay, I'll do square root of 24. Square root of 24 daw. What are the factors of 24? That will give you 2 and 12. This will give you 2 and 6. This will give you 2 and 3. Right? So that's equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So, since square root siya, 2 yung index niya, by pair sila lalabas. 2 yung index niya. So, itong dalawang 2, pwede sila lumabas. Paglabas niya, magiging isang 2 na lang siya. Okay? Magiging isang 2 na lang siya. And then, itong dalawa, wala silang ka-pair. Parang ikaw, di ba? Wala kang ka-pair. So, matitira siya sa loob. Magiging 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So, 2 square root of 6. Let's sleep na daw. Hala, may pass atin na G-things. 2 square root of 6. Okay, gets mo na. Minsan, good night. Good night, everybody. Are you going to sleep? Are we all gonna leave now? Wait, I'll put up the poll since it's 10 o'clock. My shortcut? That's pretty short. That's pretty short for me. Another shortcut would be, hindi, wala siyang shortcut. Another shortcut is to know perfect squares, okay? So, if alam mo yung perfect squares, kunyari, alam natin na 2 and 4 is equal to 4 and 6, right? 24, factor niya is 4 and 6. Alam natin yung square root ng 4. Square root ng 4 is 2. So, ayun na siya. Square root ng 4 is 2. Okay? Do you want another example ng may shortcut? For perfect square nga. Yes. If you know the perfect squares, madali mo na siya ilabas. Okay? Another example would be, let's say, 54. Ay, nagawa na natin yun. But for 54, let's do square root of 72. Square root of 72, okay? What's the factors of 72? 8 and 9. Is 9 a square root? We know 9 is a square root, diba? 9 is a square root. Ano square root ng 9? 3. Ilabas na natin agad si 3. Tapos yung 4 and 2, pwede siyang 2 and 4. 4 is a square root, right? 4 is a square root. So, magiging 2 siya. Square root ng 4 is 2. So, that's equal to 6 square root of 2 na lang yung matitira. So, 6 square root of 2. Thank you for following, guys. If you're new here, please make sure to follow. There's 13 days till the upcut left. How about 8 and 3 sa 24? Same lang yun. Okay, let's do 8 and 3 daw. Sabi niya, let's do 8 and 3. Same lang yan, guys. It doesn't matter the way you factor it. Okay, 8 and 3. This is equal to 4 and 2, right? So we can see 4 can be put outside the square root kasi square root ng 4 is 2. Yung matitira is 3 and 2. So that's just 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So it's still 2 square root of 6. 7 days before the PNPA cut. Good luck to the PNP cut takers. You said to remind you mag-post sa YouTube. Are we ending? Okay. Wait. I'll put up the poll. Okay. Happy face if you want to continue. And sad face if you want to end the live now. Okay, I shall upload it on YouTube starting now. Wait. Let me try uploading while we're going. Happy face continue, sad face bukas na ulit. Also, you guys probably have to sleep if you have school tomorrow. But I will start uploading after I leave the live, okay? Wait, what one? I didn't see what one. What won the poll? Vote for upload. There's no vote for upload. I will upload it. Sleep nice equal to Valorant. Okay. It's not done. The poll's not done. Happy face continue, sad face end. It's very equal. Happy face continue, sad face end. Oh, the poll ended. 9 people won. I'll ask again. I'll ask again in 5 minutes. Maybe your minds will change, okay? Okay, let's answer the mock test now. Shall we not do this anymore? Okay. You don't want to do these ones anymore? Like, we can go to the mock test. Mock test. Inequalities. Relations. Complex numbers. Algebra test 1. Okay, let's do algebra test 1. Evaluate the polynomial. What does evaluate mean, everybody? If b is equal to 3. If b is equal to 3, evaluate the polynomial. All we have to do here is substitute, okay? Substitute b into all of the b's, okay? So that will be equal to 7 times 3 cubed plus 7 times 3 squared plus 6 times 3 plus 2. This is equal to 27 times 7 plus 7 times 9 plus 18 plus 2. And then that's equal to 20. This is equal to 63. This is equal to 140 plus 49, 189. Plus, that's 209 plus 63, which is 272. Letter D. Letter D. The files are in my IG as Pororo. Are you new here, Pororo? Lag daw. If lag, sabi nila mag-exit ka. Kasi malinaw naman siya for me. 272. Gets. GG na, Valorant na kami. No, bye-bye Dana, Archix. Bye, Luxy. Guys, okay. I will, shall we leave? Shall we? Okay, number two. 4 times 2x raised to 2 is just equal to, what's this equal to? 8x. Letter A. Paul? Okay, Paul again. Good night, Star. Yes, it's letter A. Okay, it's letter A. Huh? Tama ba? I don't think it's letter A. Wait, it's not letter A. It's not letter A, guys. You can just multiply it kasi exponent to. Exponent to, okay? So we know that 4 is equal to 2 raised to 2. And this is times 2x raised to 2. So, when there are two numbers na same yung base nila, what do you do with its exponents? What do you do with its exponents? You have to add it. Remember? You add the exponents. So that's x squared plus 2. Which is letter exponent dapat to. Exponent to. I think it's letter C. It's letter C. C pero mali yung formatting nila. Exponent siya Hindi siya whole number. Gets? Ay, wait. Tama ba? So, need po nasa labas. Dapat nasa taas. Hindi siya kapantay ng X. Where, okay po, letter C. Wala naman po kaming palag. Hindi siya letter B. Hindi siya i-multiply. Remember, how do you add b cubed plus b9, right? You add the exponents. If you multiply these two, that's equal to b raised to 12, diba? Hindi naman siya minumultiply. So, for 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 2 and 2 raised to x squared, hindi din siya i-multiply. I-add lang siya. Okay? Same lang siya dito. Gets ba? Yes, add lang siya. Yes, the PDF is in my Instagram, Bobby. Are you new here? And Justa. Nawala cam? Yes, I took it off because my phone was lagging for some reason. Umiinit siya. Ayaw niya magpa-camera. Pero dati hindi naman ganun. Next question. Next question. Going simple. Going simple ang expression. This is so konyo. Okay. Gawin simple ang expression. The first thing we have to do is reciprocal, okay? Dahil negative ang exponent, i-reciprocal natin siya. That will become 3ab. Hala, wait. Dahil negative ang exponent dito, tas negative din siya dito, i-cancel natin ang negative kasi babaligtad din siya. Ay, joke lang. Hindi. Never mind. Let's just baligtad it. 3b negative 1 over 2a 2b minus 2 raised to 2. Okay? The answer on the last one was C. C, pero dapat 2x squared plus 2. Ganyan dapat siya. Nagtagalog rin sa pag-explain. Okay, let's continue. So, what we have to do here, distribute the square everywhere. Let's distribute, or mamaya na natin i-square. I-simplify muna natin yung loob. As you can see, this A is here. Isa lang yung A. Isa lang yung squared yung sa baba. So, that will be, i-simplify natin yung A. That will be A sa baba. And this will be B, negative 1 minus negative 2 will be plus. So, sa taas yung B. Right? Yung B sa taas, magiging raised to 1 na lang siya. Tama ba? A yung 2. What are we looking at? A yung 2. What's A yung 2? 3B over 2A. Ba't po sa taas yung B? Kasi, you pick where the exponent is bigger, okay? Mas malaki yung B raised to negative 1. Mas malaki yung B raised to negative 1 kesa sa B raised to negative 2. Hello, Ken. How are you? And then, you square this. That will be equal to 9b squared over 4a squared. 9b squared over 4a squared is letter D. Letter D. 9b squared over 4a squared. Yes, it's letter D. Okay, I will poll. I will poll. I think people want to leave. Happy 400. Thank you, Ken. If you're new here, guys, please make sure to follow because we might end because people want to end. Pa-Zoom. Wait lang. I'll restart the poll. Okay, pa-SS. Here's the SS. Happy continue, sad stop. Okay? Happy continue, sad stop. I shall reconnect my camera while, because we're gonna leave. Okay. Wait, what won? What won the poll? What won the poll? Control key. We're back. Yay, we're back. What won the poll? I didn't see. Rest na. Okay, more people want to rest, so we're gonna end the live. I end the live, yes. We shall end. So everybody make sure to follow. It's lagging again. Yes, we'll end when people leave. So if you have questions, we always end with questions. If you sad won the poll. If you have any questions, I can answer them now. While we continue. I will wait while we let go of this camera. Chica time because they don't want to study anymore. Where is our Chrome? Oh, there it is. 13 days left. Thank you, Nut Nut. If you're leaving, make sure to leave. Make sure to say bye. Here's my YouTube. Can we do 7 p.m.? Okay, I'll see if I can do 7 p.m., okay? Yes, drop your questions about college apps. Nico can also help. Paano naging y raised to 10 kanina? You have to divide, di ba, 32 siya. 32, okay. Do we show it again? I'll show it again. Just quickly for you. For you, we shall do it again. Remember, it's square root of 32. Cube root of 32. All you have to do here is 32 divided by 3. Ilang 3 ang nasa 32? That's equal to 10. Okay? Bakit? Kasi may hanggang 30 lang yung pwedeng i-divide na complete. Tapos, remainder 2 siya, ba diba? Kaya, y raised to 10 yung nasa labas. Tapos, may matitirang y raised to 2 sa loob. Kasi remainder is 2. Do you get it? Good night, eto no. Mag-live ba kahit may pasok? Hanggang upcut, yeah. I'll see. Because my class is until late night, I think. So I'll let you guys know. My school starts August 5, I think. Paano po naging 3b over 2a? So what we did here is, diba may a over a squared? Since a is divided by a, ang ginawa natin dyan is 2 minus 1. You minus the exponent, diba? A over 2, magiging 1 na lang siya. So, yung 1 na yan, mapupunta sa ilalim kasi mas malaki yung a squared kesa sa a raised to 1. Okay? Paano naging positive yung 2? From negative 2, naging positive 2 siya dito. Ay, hindi siya kita. From negative 2, naging positive 2. This one, from here. Kasi binaligtad natin ito. Okay? We put this here. Binaligtad natin ito, napunta dito. Okay? Nabaligtad siya, kaya siya naging positive. Upcoming grade 11 ka na po ba or grade 12? I'm in 4th year college. What deadline essay sa Ateneo? Matagal pa yan. Pero if November yung exam, or October ba yung exam? If October yung exam, siguro September. Oh yes, everybody make sure to apply for the ACET. Okay. Maganda din ipagmalaki na napasa niyo yung Ateneo. Yes, I will post the annotated file. I'll save it right now. We haven't discussed logarithms, I think. I also have a hard time a bit in logarithms. My course is management engineering. Let's save this page. Save as file. PDF file. Downloads. Documents. Seven 29. 7:29 ba today? 7:28 pa. Hello. 7:28. Save. I'll upload it right now. May bayad daw Ateneo. Sabi nila wala, 'di ba? If you're from public school, wala siyang bayad. I'll try logarithms soon. Also tomorrow, maybe we can do logical reasoning. Pa-explain ng number 2. If you're Kat, are you from public school? If you guys are from public school, you can take the ASET for free, okay? ASET is for free for public school people. So, take the ASET, it's just for free. What? I'm ending. From private school, oh, please upload. Yes, I'll upload on YouTube. I will also, wait lang. Paggawa ng essay for ASET. Yes, dapat related sa self, not your course. It shouldn't be about school. It should be about a learning, growing experience for you. Okay? So, dapat experience siya about yourself and you learning things. Like a personal experience. My ASET essay was about like how I gain confidence, blah blah blah. Okay. I'll upload the file right now. Sorry. Just so people don't get mad. Document. 28. Done. I'm uploading the file in the same drive. How to apply for ASET? You go search Ateneo applications here. Asan na yun? Search Ateneo application. It'll come out. Yung education.ph yung site. Education.ph. And then it will lead you to here. And then you click login or register here. Bye, Renier. See you tomorrow. Log in or register. Apply for Ateneo, everybody. Paano po if private school and nag-public ng senior high? Yes, it's free. As long as you're in a public school right now. Free pa rin siya. Yes, state university is free yung ASET. As long as public school siya. And you show that you're public school enrolled right now. Live tomorrow, I'll try 7 p.m. or 6 or 8. 6, 7, or 8. If I have patience. Thank you, Rihanna. Pag semi-private, I haven't heard, pero you can try checking it out. So when you click this link, diba, click this login or register, and then it will lead you here. And then you click that, and then you log in. Let's use your, how will you log in? It's not my account. Not my account. Basta log in. Sign in with Google. And then you log in. And then, yes. I'm not sure if it will let me apply again because I already applied before. Let's apply. So, dito din nag-apply for different schools. Ba't nawala? Let's go back to Ateneo. Ateneo. What's the essay prompt this year? Somebody tell me. I think lagi naman same. Ooh! Okay, ito yung application form, guys. It let me in. Kahit ito din yung email na ginamit ko last year. The ate is unable to conduct. Okay. I accept. Not me applying. Let's go back to first year. Yes, first year college students. Start application. Have you already taken college? Let's present no. Right? And then put all your details here. And then you have to put your family info, academic info, extracurricular, and other. And then sa degree program, I can help you guys with that. I don't know what the essay prompt is. You have to finish this first part before going there. Let's go. How do I get in? How do I go in? How do I go in the application? View dashboard. Paano po magkakaroon or makita yung G Drive? It's in my IG. Okay, go here to my IG. This is my IG account. Make sure to follow for free reviewers. And then go to this first one, the review. And then go to this fourth one. Okay, the fourth story sa review will lead you to the one we're using right now, which is here. And dito na siya, guys. Okay, this is annotated. The annotated copy is here. It says 728 because today is 728. Can you try to fill out the primary email kasi it errors daw. Okay, let's try. Where is the primary email? I accept. Start application. First year. Start application. No. Where is primary email? Andito na yung primary email ko. So, yes. If you log into education.ph as a Gmail account, it will put it in na. Okay? Also, here are the courses if you want. Guys, as you can see, look at these courses. Meron siyang asterisk. Okay? Yung iba may asterisk, yung iba wala. Yung meaning ng asterisk is yun yung mga quota course or tinatawag na honors course. So, yes. Honors program means you have to get into the top 15% of the applicant. So, if 10,000 yung nag-apply, kailangan yung ASET score mo is in that 1,500 top to get into that course. Okay? So, my course is here. My course is Management Engineering, which is an honors course. Okay? So, if you're picking courses, don't make everything an honors course unless you're sure na kaya mo mag-honors or kaya mo pumasa sa top 15%. If hindi mo kaya, take the courses na walang asterisk. Okay? Some courses don't have asterisks, like these courses. Oh. Hanapin nyo. Hanapan niyo ako ng pogi. Go, Nico. Do I apply for scholarship after the results? No. I think iba yung scholarship application site. But I think you can start on that as well. It's okay if you don't afford Ateneo. Ateneo offers many different scholarships. There's so many scholarships offered by Ateneo. 25% of the population is scholars. So 1 out of 4 people are scholars in Ateneo. The asterisk means honor scores, yes. Honor scores means you have to be in the top 15% of applicants to be considered in that course. So if puro honor scores nilagay nyo, and then you don't get into the top 15, you won't pass anything in Ateneo na. So, yung technique dyan is if you really want an honor scores, pretend you want BS Psychology. Put BS Psychology as your first choice, and then the rest of your choices have to be non-honors courses, okay? So, pretend BS Psych yung first choice ko, and then second choice should be AB Psych or AB Pol Sci, anything na wala ng asterisk, okay? Kasi wala nang sense if maglalagay ka pa ng may asterisk. You want management engineering too? I'm for management engineering. Any tips? You just ace the ACET and then talk to me when you pass, okay? What is the cutoff score for honor scores? You have to get into the top 15%. So, it's not based on your score, it's based on how well you do in comparison to everybody else. So, top 15 depends on the rest of the people taking the exam. So, if in your batch, puro matatalino, that's unlucky for you. What extracurricular does Ateneo accept? Any extracurricular. I think for extracurricular, it focuses on like what are your org pretend are you a president in a club, things like that. Did you take regional tests, ganun, regional contest, MTAP, ganun. Can you take DLST or UST even if you live in the province? You don't have to go to Manila. I think they have testing sites. They have testing sites in other provinces. Yes, we are done. So yes, Mika, yes, this is Mika. We were pretending to be Mika yesterday. I mean, just putting her in the live. Because they said, ano yung mga scholarship in Ateneo? There's a lot. There's academic scholarships, there's financial aid. Financial aid is for those who don't, for those who need or who cannot afford to go in. And then academic is if you can be like in the top one, or like you can be the valedictorian of your school. Because if you're top one when you come from a private school, 100% tuition na siya sa Ateneo. How did I review for ACET? I was reviewing for UPCAT lang, actually. But then during our time, walang tests kasi it was pandemic. So I applied in 2020. Yung UST yung unang nag-cancel, tapos gumaya na lahat. Yes. Do we need to memorize all the formulas for UPCAT? Yes. Memorize as much as you can. Why did we stop on that? Okay. Wait, are you fourth year? Yes, I'm fourth year. Even top one from private? No. Dapat top one from public. Either public, Jesuit school, science high school, ganun. Yun yung mga pwede. Free din po ba USTET? Hindi. USTET may bayad. May bayad USTET. Pero if you're in the top 10 of your grade 11 batch, you can apply for free anywhere. That's why I applied to 8 schools. Kasi, hello Timo. Oh, you're back. I haven't seen you in so long. If you, I'm not sure. I'll try, okay? Walang entrance exam ng pandemic? Yes. Hindi siya paunahan mag-apply, pataasan ng grades ng pandemic. You had to pass your grades, tapos nag-base lang sila sa grades and sa extracurricular. That's so crazy if paunahan lang mag-apply. Yeah, walang exam. Walang exam, pero it's based on grades. So, if mababa grades mo, lugi ka. That's the good thing about exams, guys. Kasi, like, may kilala ako na hindi siya nakapag-exam. Hindi siya nung grade 7 to grade 10, hindi siya nagseryoso. So, mababa yung grades niya. Pero, nung grade 11, nag-prepare siya for the UPCAT kasi alam niyang dun siya babawi. Or like sa exams mismo. So, if mababa grades mo ng grade 7, okay lang yun. Mababawi mo siya sa exam. Just to clarify, so separate po yung general application, yes. Separate yung application for scholarship and application for financial aid. Ganun naman sa lahat. Pero there are scholarships based on the ACET score. So if you get in the top 60 applicants, may scholarship yun. If you get in the top 150, may scholarship din sila. So if you do well, super good in the UPCAT, you become a scholar also. Okay? If you want to do super well in the UPCAT, there's also scholarships for the top passers. Parang top notchers ganun. 7 to 10 ba yung kukuha na ng grade? I think 7 to 11. I'm not sure. Wow, director's list. Did they continue, Nico? Like, did they go to Ateneo? I never thought there was rules about it. About what? I saw. Makakabawi ka sa exam if you didn't take your senior high. Yes, that's true, Ra. He went to UPD? That's crazy. Paano mag-apply sa scholarship sa Big 3? Iba-iba per school. Cut-off ng UP, I think around 15%, diba? Ng lahat ng applicants. I'll try the AC. I'm not sure about science. So first step po is to go to education.ph. Yes. Search Ateneo application and the link that will come out is education.ph. So yung mismong link is, yes, search Ateneo application. When you search Ateneo application, it will bring you to this link. Add mo ACET education.ph. Okay? Yes, I applied to PUP and I passed. I passed PUP. Okay. Are we done? Wait. Let me see. Pang ilang live? I don't know, bro. I've been live for so long. I shall upload. Okay, upload ko na guys yung mga recordings. Pero kailangan ko siya i-download, so I have to end the live. Make sure to chat me na lang on IG if you have any questions or on TikTok. I try to check TikTok messages also. If scholar ka by PIAC sa senior high. Yes, if you're a scholar in high school, it's okay to be a scholar. When yung Ateneo, nag-start na siya, okay? It started na. So yes, goodbye. Say bye, guys. Thank you, Nico, again for being here. Break mo ba ngayon, Nico? Kaya ka madaming time. Send your essay lang, Raven. I'll let you know. Hindi halatang purple, yes. My entire room is purple. Look at my towel. It's purple. It's my towel. I love purple. I'm a purple girl. Bye, Ra. Bye, Strawberry. Bye, Z. Yes, I'll upload the recording. Somebody remind me. Or I'll do it right now, so I don't forget. Yes, okay, we'll teach complex numbers next time. Bye, Kat. Ateneo starts now, guys. I'm not sure kung kailan yung exam. Let me look. I don't know when the exam is, actually. I think November daw, sabi nila, or October. When will there be ACET 2024? Wala pang date. I'm not sure. Somebody tell me. October daw. October. So yes, mag-start na din kayo mag-aral for that. If you won't pass UP, at least pass Ateneo. Bye, Nico. Bye, Mocha Latte. October 19, 20? That's so close. October 26 and 27? Baka iba-iba. Bye, Raven. Bye, Chin. Bye, Rasan. Anyong. Bye, G-Thanks. Thank you for the gifts, G-Thanks. Bye, Rihanna. Bye, Uriel. See you guys tomorrow, okay? I'll try earlier tomorrow because it's the first day of school. Bye. Bye, Nico.